Hi, Year 12 Essential Math. So I'm Ms. Rakowski. I'm one of the teachers in 12 Essentials, and I'm just here to guide you through what you need to be doing with our Blackboard and your Maths Online over the next this term. So mine obviously looks a bit different to yours, but we're going to look for WVSH 12 Essential Maths, and you're going to click on that. That is the course that you are going to find all the materials that you need for 12 Essential Maths. You can see here, I'm going to turn it on so it looks like yours, that there'll be Unit 3 and Unit 4, Term 2, Unit 4. So that's the folder that you should be clicking on. Here you go, we'll have a Blackboard Collaborate room that you can access. We'll give you more details specifically when your teachers, if they'll be available through that medium. You have some instructions here. If you are unsure, there's a subject checklist. We have our first topic, which is bivariate data. So if you're unsure of what's coming up and you want to know what's happening for Unit 4, that list is available on this one here. It also looks like this. So you've seen something that looks like that previously, and it has double side. So this is the topic that we are looking at this term. All right, so let's click on that folder there, topic 1. In your folder, again, more instructions, but we are looking at subtopic Cartesian Plane. And you can see here that we have got you set up. So there's your chapter. If you don't have your textbook at home and you don't have access, you can click on that link there and it'll open up the textbook. It tells you this is the subject matter. These are the textbook questions that correspond to it. Inside the video here is a learning goal, a subject and success criteria, and also those questions coincide with here. So there's a guided step instruction, and then you pause the video and complete that. So that's there, and then obviously more will come up as those activities come through. Now, Maths Online. I've opened up a Maths Online of a student here. So you can see this is what your opening page will look like as a student in the task here. So it's going to be adaptive release. So there's no new tasks at this point in time because I'm filming in week 10 of term 1. So when you do this, there'll be new tasks that come up. So if you click on here in task, we'll have there's some overdue tasks and there's some active tasks. So the student has some overdue ones. So you click on the one that is obviously the one that corresponds to the week that we're in, or in our case it'll be week 1. Click on that, complete the questions in here, make sure that you finalize and submit. Come back to this page and check that it's completed. So when you finish, there should be, you click on this part here and it should come up as you've completed that task. So that is the other thing that you need to be doing. So let's recap on the things that you need to achieve in the weeks while in the event of remote. Textbook questions here with instructional videos, Maths Online to check in, make sure that you are engaging with the work. And then we also have these weekly check-ins. So I'm going to move myself out of the way. It looks like there's nothing here at the moment. It'll come up in a moment. So I'm going to show you what mine looks like. So here we go, week 1 check-in. You'll see that there is an assignment. What we're asking you to do is that we're making sure that you are meeting your learning goals. So what learning goals did you meet and how did you do it? So did you do some textbook questions? Did you do the Maths Online? Watch videos? What other home activities may you have done? And anything else that you've done to achieve your learning goals. Remember, we can check up on this, so you can't make it up. And then if you have found anything challenging, if you have any questions, and then you write a summary if you don't have any challenges or questions. You click on this. So it will come up for me. What you can do is you can select all of this. Oh, too far. Obviously, not doing too crash hot here. Anyway, Control C. And open up Write Submission, Control V, and you can actually answer everything in, I'll move that out of the way. You can actually answer everything here on Blackboard. So you don't actually have to open up a new Word document. You don't have to attach anything. I'm going to move myself out of the way here. And you can fill it in to your, to make it easier for you. All right. You just click Submit at the end of that. So mine, if I do that, it's going to come up with an error message. But if you click on submit, we have your weekly check-in, and it's all good there. Any questions about anything that's been mentioned in the video and you don't feel has been answered, or if you're unsure about things, please email us, your teachers. We'll do our best to communicate with you in regards to all of this, and we understand there'll be tricky bits and there'll be challenges ahead, but we're here for you. Okay? Stay awesome, everyone. Cheers. Bye.